Aquí estamos una vez más. Ahorita estamos aquí en la casa de este cliente, aquí en Surrey, por la 100 y la... Ahorita tengo que cortar unas cuantas ramas. Tengo que hacerle limpieza de canaletas y voy a cortar a ramas así como estas. Ya corté varias, ¿verdad? Ya corté como 5 de aquel árbol que está allá. Allá tengo ya todo set up. And vamos a cambiar de lenguaje. This is Castro's General Contracting. We are here at the 100th and 128th, and we are gonna be cutting some branches from this tree, that tree, and that tree close to the house. So we're gonna be here for a while, and then we're gonna do some gutter cleaning. So anyways, give us a call at 778-891-4017, and it's Castro's General Contracting, doing tree trimming, gutter cleaning, complete house cleaning in and out. We also do demolition, junk removal, renovations, deliveries. Here we are in a cold day, November the 11th. It's cold, windy, but here we are making some money on, it's supposed to be Remembrance Day. It's supposed to be a holiday, but there is no holidays for self-employed people, business people. Always on the go, otherwise time will catch you. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one, okay? Thank you very much for watching. 778-891-4017, Castro's General Contracting. Thank you very much.